This week marks the one-year anniversary of Cyclone Yasi. This immense weather system was one of the most significant weather features our country has ever seen. And joining me in the Met Centre to discuss all of this is our senior meteorologist, Tommy Saunders. Tommy, again, thanks for joining us. Let's now talk about the early formation of this system. It developed out near areas of the Solomon Islands and Fiji. Yeah,
it all started northwest of Fiji back on January the 29th as a tropical low. It intensified to a tropical cyclone just north of Vanuatu, and by the afternoon of the 31st, it was already a severe Category 3 system.
OK, we can see the satellite picture here. It's an immense system. It covers such a large area, and it was Yasi's sheer size that was one of the big features.
It was a massive system. Actually, the gales extended about 1,000 kilometres in diameter. Now, it steadily moved west across the Coral Sea early through February, and it finally hit the North Queensland coast in the very early hours of the 3rd of February near Mission Beach. It was a marginal Category 5 system, the most powerful cyclone to hit the Queensland east coast in nearly 100 years.
And just the prelude of this system, I mean, all the computer forecasting models predicted the development of this cyclone almost identically.
One of the easiest tropical cyclones to forecast that I've ever seen. We knew a week out that a major system was going to hit the North Queensland coast. Here's the satellite image from early February 2011. Of course, it's that massive blob of cloud approaching from the Coral Sea.
And you can see it there edging closer. It went right over the top of Willis Island, which was good because we got some very important measurements before the weather station was taken out.
That's right. Couldn't quite handle those wind gusts of nearly 300 kilometres per hour. There was some good news in that eventually when it did hit the Queensland coast, it was directly between the two major population centres, Cairns and Townsville, but it went directly over Mission Beach, and there was still widespread damage, of course, from the wind, from the heavy rain and flooding and the storm surge.
And tomorrow we'll be taking a closer look at the areas hardest hit by Yasi. Stay tuned for all your weather updates though, including the latest on Cyclone Iggy as it hovers off the WA coastline.